Go.
Okay, on the 8L90, if you watch the rotor turn, you'll notice that every time it comes in, the vanes come into this region, they're going to be forced inward. And without having any rings, like you'd see on a 4L60E as an example, there's no mechanism to put those vanes out. So what you can wind up with is a situation like this, where the pump is doing nothing. What happens if it can generate a little bit of pressure, I'll show you here, the pressure that it does generate, what little it is, gets routed to the inside of the rotor, and I've put this plate on here to demonstrate it. You notice that the vanes pop out. That's the action that takes place inside the transmission. It doesn't take very much pressure, so if it can just get a whisper, the pump will begin working. If you use the 3 methods outlined in the article, you're all set.